Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acquiescent. 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 Acquiescent is an adjective that describes a person or entity as willing to accept, agree, or comply with something without expressing active protest or resistance. It implies a readiness to go along with prevailing conditions or decisions. Here are some examples. Example number 1. In many organizations, having acquiescent employees who follow orders without question can lead to smoother operations. Why acquiescent is used in example number 1. Acquiescent highlights the quality of compliance in the workplace. Example number 2. In politics, some citizens may be perceived as acquiescent, following the dominant political party without critical evaluation. Why acquiescent is used in example number 2. Acquiescent describes political allegiance without active questioning. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.